Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my new vlog. So today we are going to unbox this product actually. Okay, before I start unboxing this product and I'll show you, I like to tell you something about my previous vlogs, previous videos about the product of the mixer grinder, the 900 watts mixer grinder, the Candice mixer grinder. Okay, so I'm not able to complete the full review of the video, because some jars was not working properly, so I have to return and replace everything. So what I did actually, which I bought it from Flipkart. Actually I told you in my previous video where I bought the product, everything. Okay, so since the jar replacement, I called that company, and then I fixed that service request, and they said there is no on-site warranty. Okay, there is no on-site warranty, so they asked me to come to the service center that is far away from my place. I cannot take that product and go and then get it serviced and then bring it actually, since it is under warranty. So they said they are not giving the proper service. Actually they are not coming to my place, or they are not taking the product from my place and then fixing that issue. So I thought, okay, this is not going to work out. I called up Flipkart, and Flipkart is given an excellent service actually, since I told them, Flipkart, this is a problem, this is the issue actually. Flipkart is given me excellent solution. Sir, no problem, so you can just return the product, I will give you the full refund. So what I thought actually, and I just packed the things as it is actually, and then kept it ready. So Flipkart people, they came and then they just picked up the product actually and returned the full refund of the product. So I, as far as the previous product, the mixer grinder, Candice mixer grinder, the service was not good actually, because even though the service they are willing to give it, but I'm not happy with the service actually. That's the reason I have to return the product. And again, so this is what about the previous video. That's the reason actually I could not complete the full review of that mixer grinder. Okay, so today I have bought actually another product. This is the product actually. Okay, this is the product actually. This is also again a mixer grinder. This I bought it from Jio mart for 1295 rupees. Okay, 1295 rupees. It's 750 watts mixer grinder with two bullet jar juicer jars actually is there. So there is no regular jars actually, stainless steel jar, two plastic bullet jar, and one unit actually is there. So I just saw that the product actually, and 750 watts is there. So I thought, okay, let's buy the product. It's reasonably priced actually, 1295 rupees only. It just came and delivered and went actually. So let's do the unboxing without wasting the time. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Guys, this is what the packing is. This is the main unit. I think this is the two jars is there. Okay, so let's open this box and take out the unit. Okay, I've just opened that in a different way. Okay, no problem. So guys, after I unbox this is the main unit. Okay, and this is the jar, two jar. This approximately this jar will be around 400 ml, I think so. No, this is 500 ml. Approximately this will be a 500 ml jar. This will be a 300 ml jar. Okay, these are two jars there. Okay, So, and these two caps actually you can use it, nothing else is the box. Okay, then put the box back inside that. Guys, this is the products from inside the box. This is the main unit. Let's unpack this. Okay, okay, this is the main unit of the product. The grip is very good. So the motor, this unit is not heavy, very lightweight only. This is the knob and this is the cable, 3-pin cable. 1 2 3 speed is there, and I think one whipping is there, and it's got rubberized bottom is there, all for rise, and the ventilation, exhaust. Okay, this is the product, and along with this, this is a bullet jars. Actually, this is small jar for chutney. Okay, you can see that. I'll show you. Okay, and you can just close it, and along with this, two caps are there. So let's open this cap. Okay, two extra, this rubber is there, and this is the cap. You can keep it in the fridge as it is chutney, but it is not good actually. But if you tighten too much, then it will be again loose, but it's not okay. See that cap is not good. Okay, the cap is not good. Okay, you cannot tighten it very hard, so this is not good actually, very good quality. Okay, so this one, and this is another one, like a zipper type actually, for juicer. Okay, let's see this. Okay, okay, so this one, you can take it, carry it with you, or you can just keep it in the fridge if you want. Okay, so that's it guys, this is the product. Actually this two extra rubberized given actually. Okay, so let's turn on the mixie and they will check it actually, how is the performance, how is the noise, everything will check it. Okay, so guys, this is the product main unit. Okay, so you can see it, and this is the cable. It's hardly 1 meter cable actually. Okay, the cable length will be 1 meter actually, and the pin is 3-pin is there. Okay, let's turn on and see. Okay, let's see the noise of the unit motor. This is the speed 1. What he heard is speed 2. We'll go to speed 2. And we'll go to speed 3. See, all these places air ventilation is there, so that the motor don't get heated. Okay, this is the dipping. So you have seen this grip is okay, the rubberized grip is there. Okay, so now I need to test the jar, small jar. Okay, the jar quality is not that much good actually. It's lightweight and it's not very good actually. So let's fill some water in this and then wash it actually. Okay. So we have taken a little water actually, and then we'll close this and we'll test it. How is it working? Okay. So I'm not. Oh shit! It's coming out water. See, water. All the water it came out. So let's wipe it with this one, because it should not go, the water should not go inside actually. So in the starting itself it's showing that the quality of the product. So guys, you all seeing in the start itself it's showing that the quality of the product is not good. You can see the rubber inside, it is broken. See, it came out. You can see that rubber, it is came out. You can see that. So I'm going to open this. I think it might have got cut. So I removed that rubber. Actually this rubber was giving problem actually, not fit properly and not fitting properly. So it's not good actually. Let's see once again we'll try. Okay. Once again we are trying. Second time. See, the rubber is not fitting properly inside. Let's close this and then tighten. Now it again, you can see that rubber came out actually. You can see that. So again I have to open it and so let's do it without rubber. So now I have taken off the rubber. This bush, I think so. So still the jar is leaking. You can see that water is leaking. I just tightened properly, but still jar is leaking. So I think I have to return this product only. Even this product is not good actually. So guys, this product is not good actually. You can see this leak is there. See, you can see this. See, but still I'll try. I'll just put it in that. Okay. Water coming out. You can see that water coming out. You can see that. So absolutely this product is not good. I have to return it immediately because all water is going inside. So absolutely this product is total failure. So I'm going to return this back. Okay. So that's it guys. You've seen that actually there is 2 jars is absolutely no use. So please do not buy this brand name. I'll tell you, this comes with this 2 jar, and this is the main unit. You see it properly. This brand name is Topaz. Okay, there is no name, is nothing is there, no name is there, experts, that's it. But they branding as Topaz. Okay, they branding as Topaz, but there is no name, Topaz name, and no branding name is there. They are selling it in Jio mart. Please do not get cheated for low price. Actually 1295 rupees in Jio mart. Actually don't get cheated. The brand is name is expert is given. They're selling at a Topaz brand name. Okay, 750 watts is not 750 watts. Absolutely, this is very lightweight. Motor is not good, the jar is not good, nothing is good. Absolutely total failure product. I am going to return this product. Okay guys, so be careful. This kind of products, actually do not buy cheaper products actually. So buy the branded products only, which is long lasting for so many years. Okay, so that's all guys about this product. This product name is, again I tell you, this is a Topaz brand. I got it from Jio mart online. Okay, so this is absolutely total failure, total disappointment actually. So do not buy this product. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you all like this video, and this video will be very informative and helpful for you. Please, if this video is very helpful, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Please support this channel. Please, nobody is clicking the like button, and please nobody subscribing. Every like is will be a motivation for me. Please help and motivate. I'll come out with another new products which will be very useful in your daily life. Okay, thank you so much for watching. You take care. Thank you.